Hello boys, today I want to show you my new shirt of Paris Saint-Germain, a famous team of Europe in France, and maybe, who knows, the future team of Cristiano Ronaldo. I ordered it from the site bestcheapsoccer.com and I used the offer coupon of $5, so to the final price I had a discount and it was $11.99. As you see, it's a very perfect shirt. Look at this seal of Paris Saint-Germain, very well ironed in the shirt, and even the sponsor Fly Emirates and the brand of Nike brand. Look at this detail, ici c'est Paris, like in original shirts. Here it's Paris, and the symbol of dry fit technology of Nike. All the fabric is in very good condition, and it's very similar and very equal to the original one. Look at the labels with the indications of how treated by washing machines, and this is the official labels with the indicatives of dry technology of Nike. All the details, the colors are perfect, very equal to the original one, and even here these details very perfect. I recommend you to buy your favorite team shirts by this site bestcheapsoccer.com, and by using the offer coupon. It was very easy to order these shirts. You can go to the site and see the information that is very complete. Let's take a look at the back of the shirt. You see, it's very similar. Here the details of Paris, this detail, and all this is very perfect. I strongly recommend you to buy your shirt by this site. It's very cheap in comparison with original shirts. Look, this is the seal of authentication of Nike. It's perfect. I strongly recommend you to buy your favorite team shirt by bestcheapsoccer.com. Bye.